Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this live stream is going to focus on addition with decimals. Our first example is 7 plus 4 and 2/10. I'm going to go through step by step how to solve that problem. So addition with decimals, it's basically the same thing as addition with whole numbers. Only difference is you have to put the decimal points in the right place and you have to line everything up. So we have a whole number, we have 7, and then we have 4 and 2/10. Now, every number has a decimal point in it, but in a whole number, the decimal point is behind all of the digits. So for the number 7, the decimal point will be right here. If both numbers are whole numbers, usually we just kind of leave the decimal points invisible because we don't really do anything with them. But this is where the decimal point would be for the number 7. Now, if there is no number in a certain place, we assume that the number is 0. So we have the ones place, and then we have the tenths place. Because there's no number in the tenths place here, we're going to assume that the number is 0, so we write in a 0. And now, from there, it is simple addition. All right, 0 plus 2 equals 2. 7 plus 4 equals 11. Then, of course, the last step, we line up the decimal points. There's one digit behind both of the decimals. In our problem, there has to be one digit behind the decimal point in our answer. And we have our final answer. 7 plus 4 and 2/10 equals 11 and 2/10. All right, moving on to the next example. All right, so we have 3 and 37/100 plus 4 and 1/10. So first thing we do is we line everything up here. Now remember, if there is a certain place that's left blank, we assume that the number there is 0. Anything that's left blank, there's nothing there, we write in the number 0. 4 and 1/10 would be the same as 4 and 10/100, same in value. All right, and now from there, we are ready to add. Seven plus 0 equals 7. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Last step, we put our decimal point in its proper place. Since there are 2 digits behind the decimal point in both the numbers we're adding, there has to be 2 digits behind the decimal point in our answer. So we're going to put our decimal point right behind the first 7 here. And we have our final answer. 3 and 37/100 plus 4 and 10/100 equals 7 and 47/100. All right, that concludes my live stream for this evening. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments. And I will do a future video on that skill. Or I will try to do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri, signing off.